Hi, welcome to Bedford Fine Art Gallery. I'm Joan Hawk. These two paintings are by Hartford, Connecticut artist William Ruthven Wheeler. Wheeler had initially specialized in portraiture, but around 1860 he began painting landscapes. These two paintings, Fearless Fisherman and Rocky Outcrop with Waterfall, reveal glimpses of isolated places in New England that only adventurers such as our fearless fishermen would dare to go. These rugged landscapes, designed by nature, have been eroded and sculpted over eons. We're glad that Wheeler has captured these scenes as nature and man continues to overwrite what has already been written.